And class, that is why you always respect your elders. Any questions? Okay, now back to the lesson. What's so funny? Spit it out, class. Well, that's it. Detention for both of you.
Not looking forward to going back to school? Well, some of these back to school pranks on teachers might change your mind.
Square root of 64 is 8.
This prank is super simple and just requires that you buy one of these pen flicker things online. Basically, it's a little tool that has a spot to place a ball of paper, and this just attaches to a regular pencil like this. To keep it hidden, you can always attach it upside down and it'll just look like a simple pen clip and no one will know the difference.
Wendy, let me have a go. And the sum of 10 plus 7 is... Ha! I caught you, Wengie. Detention. But miss, she... Lunchtime. So bland. I'm gonna go get a drink.
This prank Saltshaker is probably one of the funnest toys I've ever bought. I mean, the sound it makes says it all, really.
Maybe this will help my lasagna. Haha, class. Very funny. I would normally give you detention for this, but I'm not even that mad. Yes! Alright class, that's enough teaching for today. Self-study time for 4 hours.
For this prank, you'll need to download a fake school bell onto your mobile phone and then set it as your alarm. Obviously, you want to set the alarm so that it rings before school ends. An extra step to sell the prank even more is to manually adjust the wall clock so that the time shows 3 p.m. or whatever time your school normally finishes. Then you just wait.
Okay, class. Class dismissed.
Thanks, Miss.
Thanks, Miss. What? Class, come back.
For this funny prank, you'll need a whoopee cushion. I'm sure you guys all know what this does, right? Just blow it up and squish it and it'll make a farting noise. All I did was stuff it inside a regular pillow and wait for someone to fall for your trap.
Shouldn't have gone to that Zumba class. I'm too old for this. It wasn't me! Class, behave yourself. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
This electric shock pen is not for the faint of heart. Basically, it looks just like a regular pen, but when you press the top of the clicker, it gives a small, harmless shock through the thumb of the user. It's harmless, guys, but trust me, it stings.
Where's my pen? Why do I always lose my pens? Miss, I have a spare pen. Okay, can I borrow it? Sure. Why, thank you. Ah! Wengie! What is this? Detention!
For this prank, just take some dry erase markers and some clear nail polish. Coat the end of the marker in nail polish. Remember to do a few extra coats for extra protection, and watch as your victim gets more and more frustrated with their non-functioning pen.
Are you right there, miss? What? I don't know what you did to this pen or who did it, but you're both on detention. What? Miss, it was her. Miss. Yes, Wendy? I think you marked my paper wrong. Excuse me? I would never. Show me. Here you go, miss. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. You actually got an A+. I never mark anything wrong. Don't worry, miss. It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Thanks, Wendy. I needed that. Here you go. Thanks, miss.
This prank is an oldie but a goodie. Just write something funny on a piece of paper and then use some tape to stick it on in the back of an unsuspecting victim. And yes, I did it to some of my teachers, but only the friendly ones who I knew wouldn't yell at me afterwards or give me detention.
And class, that is why you always respect your elders. Any questions? Okay, now back to the lesson. What's so funny? Spit it out, class. Well, that's it. Detention for both of you. Remember, guys, these pranks are for entertainment value only. Let me know what your favorite is down below, and I'll see you guys next time for a new video. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah.